guys. Got a little bit right, try to get a little centered. Hey, how you guys doing? Wanted to bring a quick video to you guys, just to give you guys a little bit of insight on what it takes to do credit repair and how to be successful in the program. So, a lot of times I have a lot of clients that come to me. They want to fix their credit for some type of money product, whether it's credit cards, a house, loans, or trying to get a car. Now, let me explain how the system works. Bear with me. Let me explain how the system works. When you guys get started with credit repair, there are certain things that you guys want to stop doing. One of those things in particular is stop applying for credit. And let me explain to you guys why. Now, when you apply for credit, you'll get a hard inquiry, which affects your credit score. And these are the types of things that we want to avoid while we're going through the program. Why? The reason why we want to avoid this is because it's going to hurt your chances. One, you come into us, in most circumstances, our clients come to us with credit scores in the 400s and 500s. So first off, you're not going to get approved for a credit card. That's number one. Number two, you're hurting your efforts in us trying to get these things removed from your credit report. We go about things in a specific manner, and if you're getting started with us and 2 weeks later you go shotgunning your credit report trying to get new credit cards, you're having a negative effect. Or trying to go buy a car, you're having a negative effect. Now, credit repair takes, on average for our company, 4 to 6 months. So 4 to 6 months, we should be able to get you in a position to get a better rate than you're going to get from the day you start with us. So if you get started with us and 2 weeks later you want to go buy a car, these are things that you need to let us know, because you're not going to be a good client for our program. We don't want to give any type of false expectations in regards to trying to get you guys what you guys want. Our ultimate goal is to help you meet your goals. It's not just to help you get into a car, because yes, you can get into a car with a 400 or 500 credit score, no problem. The only problem that you're going to see is that 24, 25, 30% interest when you're going to apply for that car, and then you get that car. That's backwards, and that's not something that we want to push you guys to do. One, it's going to take more money out of your pockets. It's going to give the banks more money in their pockets, and that's not what our goal is for you. Our goal is to help you save money and keep more money in your pocket, because you guys work hard for your money. We want to make sure that you guys keep more of your money rather than giving it to the banks, because, as I said, you guys work hard for the money. If you guys are looking at trying to get credit cards, because a lot of times people come to me and they say, hey, listen, I need a credit card. Whenever I travel, I can't, they want to put a hold when I rent a car, or when I go and get a hotel room. Sorry, this thing keeps slipping. And they want to get a hotel room, and they just don't have the extra funds in their bank account to go ahead and put that deposit. So whatever your guys' goals are, our goals is to help you meet that goal, but also help you save money in the long run. We don't want you guys going to get a car having a 25-30% interest rate. Okay, it's just not a good look. Now, I've had people who come to me and they feel that their score is good enough, but had they waited for the actual round of disputes to work and see that score jump from the high 600s into the mid 700s, that is a complete game changer. Because one, you're going to be able to qualify for a much better rate, a prime rate. We're going to get you, whatever the best rate is. Anything over 740 should put you in that bucket. And that's our goal for you guys. So we want to get you guys where you guys need to be. Second of all, if you guys are going to buy a car, are you buying new or used? Now, we are coming out with a program to help you guys do your homework. We want you to research so that at the end of the day, you guys are getting what's best for you and your family. One, help you save money. As you guys see, I keep going back to the money because that's what it's all about. It's all about getting what you want, getting it for the best price possible, and that's what we're here for, help you guys. There's nothing more satisfying to me and my company than to see people come to me and say, hey, you know, I was never able to get something, then after working with you guys, we've been able to do all of this with our credit. Credit is the new, it's the new dollar. I mean, you can leverage your credit and make a lot of money. And, you know, our ultimate goal is to help educate you guys on this. So, I know I'm rambling on. I know I keep talking about helping you guys save money. But this video is specifically geared to those people who have low credit scores that are looking at trying to get something that has to do with money, whether it's a credit card, whether it's a car loan, home loan, you know, personal loan, business loan. Our goal is to help get you guys to where you guys want to be. So with that being said, I wanted to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I know you guys could have been anywhere else, but you guys did take the time to spend a few minutes with me today. Thank you guys. This is Livai. I'm with Improve My Score, and I look forward to working with you guys. If you guys know anybody who's in need of credit repair, please share this video with them, like the video, and I will talk to you guys soon.